We live in a world concerned with health and safety. That includes businesses who want to maintain a safe workplace for employees and customers. So, who can you trust to help you achieve that goal? For 30 years, Chem-Dry has been the sanitizing experts, leading the industry with superior cleaning and sanitizing services that eliminate bacteria and germs and help make spaces healthier. Now, Chem-Dry offers our groundbreaking MicroPro Shield service, offering disinfection plus up to 90 days of antimicrobial protection to avoid costly downtime due to illness and give you the peace of mind that you can provide a safe and productive workplace. Our 3-step MicroPro Shield process begins with the application of an EPA-registered hospital-grade disinfectant that eliminates viruses and bacteria on all surfaces, including food contact areas. Our disinfectant kills 99.9% of bacteria from surfaces and is approved by the EPA for use against SARS-CoV-2, the cause of COVID-19. In Step 2, we apply a protective antimicrobial coating to surfaces that were disinfected, killing bacteria and algae on contact for up to 3 months. Applied with an electrostatic sprayer that provides wraparound coverage, the patented solution creates a layer of spikes on surfaces that mechanically kill these microbes by piercing and rupturing their cell membranes on contact for up to 90 days, inhibiting the ability for superbugs to grow. Lastly, we certify that your facility was disinfected and protected following rigorous safety protocols based on CDC guidelines, including wearing PPE gear, wiping down equipment between jobs with a sanitizer, and disinfecting equipment daily. Whatever type of facility you have, from retail to healthcare, offices, places of worship, and everything in between, we'll analyze your facility and recommend a customized plan that minimizes downtime and maintains a safer and healthier space for your customers and employees. If you're looking for a professional service that delivers a higher level of safety for your business, that kills bacteria and viruses, and offers extended antimicrobial protection after we leave, call the sanitizing experts at Chem-Dry. With 30 years of experience of making workspaces and homes healthier and safer.